Welcome to ZK2Go India official YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain how to connect the ZK2Go EM lock with 7BL visible light device and exit button for the access purpose. So for that you can see here I am going to explain now the connection part. For that ZK2Go EM lock should be connected, like negative should be connected with the power supply negative and positive should be connected with the 7BL visible light device NC. From the visible light 7BL COM should be connected with the 12 volt power supply positive. This is how we will connect the ZK2Go EM lock with the 7BL visible light device. And now I am going to explain how to connect the exit button with the 7BL device. For that we have to connect, like from the exit button NO should be connected with the 7BL visible light device button and COM should be connected with the ground. This exit button will require 12 volt power supply. So for that I have given the external 12 volt power supply. For that 12 volt power supply from the exit button should be connected with the positive and ground should be connected with the negative. This is how we will do the connection part. You can see here I am using the 7BL visible light device for the in purpose and exit button for the out purpose. I am already registered my palm in the 7BL visible light device. I am using this for in purpose now. Palm verification successful. EM lock opened. After 5 seconds it will close again. So now I am using the exit button for the out purpose. EM lock opened. So this is how we will connect the ZK2Go EM lock, no touch button and 7BL visible light device for the access purpose. Thank you.